Alright, so here's the deal. We're about to begin year 11, Keith, Seppel, and I fishing together once a month. We just got through month 120. In order for a commitment like that to work, when you go, you go. We have had 3 straight days of below zero. So this is the preparations for today's fish, where we're hoping it gets slightly above zero. Loads of layers, obviously. Spinning gear, because any exposed hand would be horrendous, or a wet line from fly fishing. However, we will be fishing both tackle and some flies underneath spinning gear, but priority 1, warmth. Hoping to not have to go the wader route. However, who knows? There may not be open water, and the only way to get there might be to wade, so party on. We have reached the top of the world, and oddly, we have gone from 13 below to 3 degrees above. Fishing the damn dam. Painted rocks splashed with sunlight. Stunning. There it is. Open water. Let's see what she has to offer. It's hot out here. There we go, a little fish on brown trout. There is a silence to the winter woods. You will not understand unless you've been there. All the animals are at rest when it's this cold. That's a wrap. Heck of a day.